Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 139 of building the Ecto-1, the Ghostbusters car. This is the penultimate episode. We've got lots of stuff in this pack. I've got the roof rack that we're going to be, I think, completing today. We've got lots of different screws and things, even some decals to put on in a bit. But first of all, we're going to be fixing this other extra piece onto there. It'll only go on one way round because we've got a couple of cut out pieces and a couple of raised pieces, so you've got to get it the right way round. So they should, I believe, slot in place right in that corner there we go, just like that. And for that we need the EP screws with the white heads because it's going to sort of fix in there. We're going to be using 12 of these, so I won't bore you with watching me do all of this. I'll get a couple of them in to get it in the right place, and then I shall cut back. So once I've finished doing that bit, I need to change my screwdriver a bit anyway. So I shall see you in just a sec when this is in place with 12 of those screws, and we'll see what happens next. Oh, well, next up, we're going to be fitting that onto it over there as well with more screws. So I'll do that bit, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. Right, there we go. That's that all attached on there. Next up, we have this, which goes onto there. There's two pins to go in there, and a single screw will hold that in place. This is a silver EP screw, which will hold down that like a heat sink or something on there. That is that. So then next up, we've got to play around with this. We've got to put the decals on it, which I shall do. I'll get some water for that. But I think it's going to be easier to put the bricks onto there before we do that, because it will give me something to hold. So onto there, we've got these bracket pieces. Not that, not that, not those. It will be that and that. So that's going to go through under there like that, with a little EP screw on there again. A black EP screw this time, not a silver one. Going to use a few of those, I'm sure. Let's get one of those at the moment through there, and then through there with that going that way. So holding everything is going to be tricky, but we'll get there. Get that through a little bit more, then I can feel where that's going to go on there like that. Careful not to over tighten that, because it is plastic, clear plastic, and that's notoriously brittle. So that's going to go on there. Then that bit, not that bit, the smaller bit that I did just have, and I've just dropped, and I can't tell where I dropped it. Right, I shall find the other bit. That's going to go over there with an EP screw, which is like an EP, but with a big, an AAP even, which has got a big bracket to hold that in place. On there. Once I find it, it's going to be just in front of me, but I just can't see it. Then we've got that post that goes onto the bottom of that, and that plate. Right, so actually, well, I'm going to get these decals on there first. I think they give us two because there might be a mistake, but basically one of these in water is just going to wrap around the bottom of that like that. So let me get some water, find that missing piece, and sort that out. Right, I am repurposing the packaging to hold my decal in the warm water. So that will just sit in there for a little while. That I have attached together as it is. You do have to make sure you get the back plate the right way round, because if it's the wrong way round, then it won't fit properly. But that now gives me something to hold while I'm putting that around there. So that's all done, ready for that to be attached to the plate itself. Is that ready yet? Moving. Is it all moving? That's all moving, so that's good. Let's get that off of there. Out of there. And that's going to go across this bottom area here. So if we put that there and slide it down like that, we can then maneuver it. So it fits nice. Just a little bit off the bottom. And there we have it. I shall leave that to dry. Because it's on a semicircle, it's a little bit sort of bunched up at the top here. So I will add some microsol onto that, just to get that to lay down and shrink down a little bit better. But that will do that. I'll just double check the instructions. That just says to do that. Yeah, it just says put it on there. All good. And then 2 more EP screws will hold that onto there. Just about there. Yeah, so we've got a pin through the middle hole there, and then those 2 will go there, and the little shaped piece down the bottom there is where that locks into, a bit like that. Cool. Right, I'll get that done, and then we'll see about the next bit. Right, there we go. That is that applied and dried and sitting down quite nicely. This is then going to be attached, as I said, onto here. Let's try and get that lined up in the bottom, pin lined up in the middle hole there. Around there somewhere. There it is. And EP screws will hold that into there. Get those sorted out. I can get that on there. Right. So one over that side. And one over the other side. Eventually. There we go. And that one in there. I'll get those tightened up momentarily. Right, then we need to make up our other big tube. I've got 2 more EP screws which are holding the ends in place. On there like that. And the same on the other side. Once this one's tightened down, or tightened up, depending on which way you want to look at it. There we have that and that. Two more types of screws to use. We need LP to hold the other half of the tube together, which is not that one. KP is what we're going to be using in a minute to attach the whole thing onto the side of the frame. So I need 3 LPs to hold the second side onto there. Is there an up and down? No, that seems to be the same. So that just goes together like that, with those in there. Okay, and once again, I'll get these all tightened up between scenes. So that is going on there like that. And then the KP screws will hold these brackets over it in the 3 locations along there. So the middle one will go like that, with this sitting on there the right way up. The 2 pins out the back of that going to the big holes there. So that will go on there with the 3 brackets holding that on there. All right, I'll get all these screws done up behind the scenes, and then we'll have a look at that when that's basically finished. And there we go. I believe that is now completed. We've got everything attached. We've got the lights and things and tubes and everything. 2 wires that need to be connected up. But that's that. It seems emptier than it looks in the film, but you never see it from the top. You only ever see it sort of from even lower, really, just to sort of see what's going on. But that is that. That is another issue completed. One more to go. So join me next time when we attach this to the car, and we'll have a look through the final magazine as well and see exactly how it all comes together. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.